Okay, welcome back to the channel. So just going over some nickel penny stocks. High risk, high reward, and high risk meaning you just lose your money. So prepared if you bought into these to lose your money, or if you're really hopeful, you could make a 50x. So the best upside here would be something like Chalice Mining. Went from, well, it depends how low you want to start, maybe 16 cents to $6. I think it was like a 50x or something, because they discovered something here which made them into a $2 billion company. They also have assets up here, so I'll show you now. So the next big discovery could be around here. So basic overview, you can get Nair tenements for $5 million with $5 million cash. They get to fly the helicopter over to see where the best magnetics are, so they'll do that, and then they will look for drill targets, drill them, hit, and I know from 5 million going to 10 million isn't very hard to see if they get a sniff of something good. So high risk, high reward, and if they get a sniff of something you can sell at, I don't know, on a 2x, but then you'll be kicking yourself if they find something big, but that's unlikely. Or who knows, they might have really good magnetics. So Krakatoa here is 30 million with about 5 million cash, but they've discovered rare earths in good amounts. Mostly this got rare earths nickel as well, but Krakatoa also has nickel targets that appear to be really good on the magnetics. So they're about to drill that, and that could skyrocket the company, or they could miss, and who knows. But they're 30 million because it seems pretty high hopes that they might hit something, although they might not. Then you got Desert Metals. They've done a few drillings, but yet to find anything good. They also have rare earths, but they're only 10 million, so I'm not sure why people are liking Krakatoa more than these guys. Probably because they've got a bit more hope with their drilling results and what could happen with future drilling. So Chalice tenements, not sure if they've hit there, but they've already grown quite a lot, so although they're going to maybe double their massive resource if they hit again. But I think Chalice is fair enough to say Chalice is grown, so you're not going to be rich buying Chalice now. So Nair tenements, not sure if I've already said it. They could find something good on the magnetics, and it could just double the price just on good drill targets from $5 million. And they'll have rare earths as well, no doubt. No doubt there's rare earths all around this. And there's nickel here, but where in the big amounts is it? We'll have to find out with drilling. So the nickel prices came up, allowing these companies to raise money to do the drilling, because in the low times, no one was going to give them money to drill, obviously, because you're going to drill this stuff called nickel that wasn't going to make a profit. Bucks and tenements, also something to look at. They are $12 million. And they're up here as well. I'm not sure if they have magnetics. I haven't actually looked into them that much. So who knows? Who knows which one of these companies have the big thing? And they also have the Fraser Range, is where Galileo just hit the big thing. Drilling for a while, finally hit something. They could even go further up, although already 200 million. They could go to 2 billion, I don't know, but I'm not going on that ship. So back to Buxton. So the main point is, any of these companies can have it. My money's on Krakatoa. Already got a pretty decent rare earths thing, which they'll grow through more drilling. I'm sure the rare earths are there. They just have to drill them to be sure and then get it out of the ground. I don't know. And they could hit some good nickel. So Krakatoa, 30 million, but probably the most hope. This company hasn't even done the magnetics yet, so you don't know what they might have. But if they do hit on the magnetics, they could just double the share price there, or at least got 50%, And then they drill, could go crazy, or they just miss. So very high risk, high reward. And the choice is yours. So do your research. I like Krakatoa because I got in before they got to 30 million. I think they're around 10 million. I knew they'd hit rare earths, and they did. And looking forward to the nickel drilling because they look like they might have something. Their drilling looks very similar to their magnetics look very similar to Nova Bollinger, which is like a massive company now. So then second off, maybe this company. Desert Metals seems to have drilled but maybe missed. But don't listen to me, do your own research. Maybe there's high hopes there again. Cosmos Tenements, not even sure what's happening there. Chalice, already grown. Buxton, maybe worth a punt. But my money's on KTA, Krakatoa, and maybe I might buy into this company. And maybe these companies with a bit more research. But this one's so small that a little bit whiff or something could send it up. Krakatoa seems to have high hopes, given that they've already got a good amount of rare earths, and looks like they'll grow that through more drilling. And the nickel targets look very good too. So I've said it probably 5 times, and that's it. So the time will tell, but if you're investing this, get rich. It's probably not a good idea. Probably be investing this for a bit of like horse racing. You don't expect to get rich off horse racing gambling, so maybe just put your money on there and watch the horses run. And plus, they're getting nickel out of the ground, and we need that nickel for electric vehicles. So you're supporting a good cause there. Or are you? I don't know. So that's it from me, and back to you.